Hi everyone, Luca from lgmphotography.co.uk, and in this video I'm doing my second review on the Sigma 85mm f1.4. Now if you've not seen my first video, please click on that link and you'll be able to go and have a look. On the first video I was really going through the kind of ergonomic of the lens, what it feels like, and then the first couple of shots I've taken with it. And I must say that this lens is the lens I never go out without. It is incredible lens, it really is. Obviously having the 1.4 kind of give you a lot of new options when it comes to creativity. I love playing with shadow depth of field. 1.4 is just perfect things to do with it. On an FX body it works very well, on a DX body it also works very well. The quality optic of this lens are, I would say, very close to the Nikon version, which is probably 2 or 3 times the same price. The focal, the autofocus is the fastest autofocus of the all 85mm, so that's Canon, Nikon, yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Tamron maybe does one? No, I don't think they do. But yeah, HSM, I had to play with the Nikon, I had to play with the Canon, which is a friend who has a Canon camera, and this one, the autofocus is just faster, way faster than any other make. So if you're looking for an 85mm 1.4 that's fastest autofocus, this is definitely the lens. Going back to the quality optic of this lens, they are incredible. Very nice colors, beautiful, very sharp, vignetting wide open with a very slight vignetting, hardly noticeable. It's just an amazing lens, really is. When I do a wedding portrait photo shoot, this lens, I try to use this lens as much as I can because I know what I can get with it. And comparing to the 70-200, first, the 70-200 is much heavier, much bigger, takes much more space in my bag. The 85mm is a very small lens compared to it. So if I just put it next to it without the lens hood on the 70-200 to give you an indication, yeah, you can easily see that the 85 is a very small lens compared to it, probably a third of the size. It's a very heavy lens because obviously there is a big 1.4 glass, which is very nice. But yeah, let me just have a quick look here. So yeah, so I am a bit of obsessed with getting my lens clean and without any dust. But yeah, my recommendation is definitely to get one of them. I know that Nikon just released not so long ago an 85mm f1.8. Now I did have a pre-order on that at 1.8 and kind of drew it back at the last minute and decided to go for this one. I had the Rockinson, which is the 85mm 1.4, which is also called the Samyang. Rockinson, Samyang's, and I think there is another make that is exactly the same lens, just different brand for some reason. It was an amazing lens, very good. The problem was the manual focus. I had a lot of issues with it because I don't really use this lens for anything other than 1.4. There is no point for me using an 85mm 1.4 at 5.6 or f8. Well, I'd rather use a 70-200. I'll probably get better result at f8 with this lens than this one. The only reason I got this one is to play with the 1.4, and that is the only reason I use this lens. Apart from this, Yeah, autofocus, super fast, super fast, faster than the competition. Optical quality, as I would say, probably not far off the Nikon 85 1.4G. Definitely better than the 1.4D. I've seen some results, it's pretty poor. The bokeh on this lens is incredible. I use it for the Brenizer method, which I will put a video right here so you can go and have a quick look at it. Yeah, if you have any question, please let me know. I don't really like to go through specs and technical, how many elements. For me this, well, is not gonna help me knowing if this lens is good on the field. So I post a few pictures after this, just to give you a bit of an indication on how great 1.4 it is. If you have any question, please let me know. If you want to see any more example, please visit my website, which is lgmphotography.co.uk. I've got plenty of example under the portrait wedding section. And yeah, any question, let me know. Cheers, see ya.